Imagine a phone that fits in your pocket, but when unfolded, transforms into a tablet-sized powerhouse. Foldable phones have evolved rapidly, offering both the convenience of a compact design and the luxury of a larger display. Whether you're looking for productivity on the go, enhanced multitasking, or simply the coolest tech in your hand, 2024 has some incredible foldable options. Let's dive into the 8 best foldable phones to buy in 2024 that are pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Starting with one of the most anticipated releases, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues to define what foldable phones can achieve. Samsung's Fold series has always been about blending productivity and entertainment, and the Z Fold 6 takes it even further. The inner display boasts a stunning 7.8-inch screen, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, or even getting some serious work done. Samsung has made this foldable lighter and more durable than its predecessor, with improved hinge technology and a water-resistant design. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, multitasking feels seamless. Plus, with Samsung's One UI 6, using multiple apps simultaneously becomes a breeze. It's not just a phone. It's your portable workstation and media hub rolled into one. Google Pixel Fold 2. Google's entry into the foldable market took the tech world by storm, and the Google Pixel Fold 2 is here to solidify its presence. What makes the Pixel Fold 2 stand out? It's all about that software experience. Google's tight integration between hardware and software means the foldable screen adapts to your usage with precision. The outer display offers the traditional Pixel experience, but open it up, and you're greeted with a vibrant 7.6-inch display perfect for multitasking or watching YouTube videos in split screen. Its Tensor G3 chip ensures everything runs smoothly, and the camera. Oh, the camera! Google's superior computational photography makes it one of the best foldables for taking photos. If you want a foldable with smart, thoughtful design and excellent photo quality, the Pixel Fold 2 is a perfect match. Motorola Razr Plus 2024 edition. Next up is a nostalgic favorite brought into the future, the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 edition. If you remember the original Razr, you'll appreciate how Motorola has revived this iconic flip phone into a modern, foldable masterpiece. The Razr Plus combines retro charm with cutting-edge tech. What makes this phone exciting is its compact design. When folded, it fits easily in your hand, but open it, and you get a 6.7-inch POLED display that's perfect for casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. The front cover screen is also larger, making notifications, music controls, and quick replies easy without even opening the phone. Plus, its upgraded cameras and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor give it the power and speed needed for everyday use. If style and functionality are your priorities, the Razr Plus is hard to beat. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Samsung strikes again with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, a foldable designed for those who want both style and performance in a compact form factor. The Z Flip 6 is all about that portability. It flips open like a classic flip phone, but offers a fully functional 6.8-inch AMOLED display. One of the best things about the Z Flip 6 is its flex mode. You can fold it halfway, making it perfect for hands-free video calls or taking selfies from any angle. Samsung has also enhanced the durability with a stronger hinge and improved dust resistance, ensuring your phone lasts even longer. The compact size makes it ideal for slipping into pockets or small bags, but it's packed with high-end features like a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, fast charging, and Samsung's signature display quality. Oppo Find N3. For those looking for something a little different, the Oppo Find N3 offers a fresh take on foldable phones. Oppo's approach has been to focus on ergonomics, and it shows. The Find N3 is a bit shorter and wider than other foldables, giving it a more natural feel in the hand when unfolded. The 7.1-inch inner display is absolutely stunning, offering vibrant colors and smooth refresh rates that make everything from reading to gaming feel fluid. It's also powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring top-notch performance across the board. One standout feature of the Oppo Find N3 is its ultra-fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in no time, meaning less downtime waiting for your phone to charge. If you value comfort, design, and battery efficiency, the Oppo Find N3 could be your next go-to foldable. Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. When it comes to maximizing screen real estate, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 takes the crown. Xiaomi is known for pushing boundaries, And this foldable is no different. With an 8.02-inch AMOLED display, it's almost like carrying a tablet that fits in your pocket. The Mix Fold 4 isn't just about its large display, it's about performance too. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, it can handle heavy gaming, productivity tasks, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Plus, Xiaomi has optimized its UI for the foldable format, making it easy to use several apps at once. Its innovative design and massive screen make it perfect for anyone who values productivity on the go or enjoys consuming media in all its glory. Huawei Mate X5. Huawei continues to impress with its foldable series, and the Huawei Mate X5 is a standout in 2024. While it may not have Google services, it offers unique hardware features that make it worth considering for tech enthusiasts. The Mate X5 boasts a huge 8.03-inch display when unfolded, offering an immersive experience for watching videos, playing games, or reading documents. Huawei's Kirin 9000S processor powers this beast, ensuring smooth operation and excellent battery life. What makes the Mate X5 special is its advanced camera system, which competes with even the best traditional smartphones. Huawei's attention to design details, such as its slim profile and robust build quality, makes this phone one of the most durable foldables on the market. Honor Magic Fi 3. Rounding off the list is the Honor Magic Fi 3, a phone that blends sleek design with top-tier performance. Honor has been gaining traction in the foldable space, and the Magic Fi 3 is their best offering yet. The Magic Fi 3 features a spacious 7.9-inch OLED display, perfect for those who love big screens. The build quality is premium, and the hinge feels sturdy, giving you confidence in its durability. Inside, it packs a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, allowing it to handle intensive tasks with ease. It also supports ultra-fast charging, so you never have to worry about your phone running out of juice. Honor has packed this phone with great features, making it a serious contender in the foldable market. Foldable phones are no longer a futuristic dream. They're here, and they're better than ever. Whether you prioritize camera quality, multitasking, or a large immersive display, there's a foldable phone in 2024 that fits your needs. From Samsung's trailblazing designs to Huawei's premium craftsmanship and Google's software prowess, the future of smartphones is foldable, and it's exciting to see where this technology will take us. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments.